MH20 in October 2021. This new generation high-feed milling cutter is designed for safe and efficient cavity milling of ISO-S, M, and P materials. It's also a versatile roughing and semi-finishing tool that performs exceptionally well in a variety of milling applications. Its innovative curved edge insert design ensures lower cutting forces, delivering higher performance even on smaller machine spindles and with longer tool overhangs. Seco Tools introduced the SN8-13 spiral milling system, featuring double-sided helical inserts with 8 cutting edges, significantly reducing the cost per edge. This boosts efficiency in full slot milling, side milling, and rough milling operations. Specifically designed for ISO-P, M, and S materials, it offers sub-series tailored for specific conditions, providing longer tool life and superior chip evacuation. Kennametal released a 3D printed finishing tool for motor bore machining in 2021, addressing the growing demand for lightweight tooling solutions in the electric vehicle components sector. Combining a carbon fiber body with the proven RIQ inserts, it excels in deep hole machining of motor housings, tackling challenges of deep and large diameter machining with enhanced reliability and productivity. Walter's multifunctional turning tool features the unique Walter-lock clamping mechanism, increasing insert clamping force and mounting precision. It supports various cutting functions including 35 to 50 degree profile turning, precision turning with a repeatability of 0.02 millimeters, bidirectional turning, and dynamic soft and hard turning using round indexable inserts with 3 cutting edges. It also includes precision internal cooling for higher tool life. The ADO micro drill from OSG is engineered for stable and efficient deep hole drilling. Compared to traditional step drilling, it achieves up to 9 times higher processing efficiency with its single pass design. The unique chip flute design and shorter land width prevents sudden tool breakage, while the hollow shank allows for greater coolant flow. The dual land structure and proprietary coating ensure a smooth surface finish and longer tool life. Teclarad's cart internal grooving tool features ground-grade inserts with 4 cutting tips, providing economical performance and high machining precision. The optimal 3-point support ensures high repeatability and clamping rigidity. Special insert designs protect the tool holder and unused cutting tips, while internal cooling extends tool life and ensures smooth chip evacuation. The same inserts can be used in both left and right-hand tool holders, further reducing tooling costs. Redcat's fine feed milling cutter offers exceptional performance in high feed face milling, particularly in precision milling of cast iron. It ensures surface roughness of raw 0.6% to raw 0.8 and improves processing efficiency by 500% compared to traditional finishing cutters. This innovative product revolutionizes fine milling processes, significantly reducing machine tool operating costs by achieving milling efficiency traditionally associated with grinding. Vanguard's Prime Tab X coated high-performance powder metallurgy taps include premium spiral point, straight flute, and spiral flute series, suitable for machining steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum alloys, and other ductile materials. They feature excellent cutting stability, ultra-fine powder metallurgy material, unique chip flute design, edge strengthening treatment, and the latest X coating, providing superior resistance to chipping, smooth chip evacuation, consistent thread surface roughness, and longer tool life. and M-type mirror finish ball nose end mill from Daiji integrates straight blade, ball nose, and helical edge designs, pioneering the use of complex tools. It serves both 5-axis and 3-axis machining with high efficiency, precision, and longevity. Its versatility makes it unbeatable in high-efficiency 5-axis mold and product machining.